Sure, now that I got the video on, she's not going to crawl. Oh, maybe she will. She sees her puppy. She's going to go and crawl and torture him, I think. She gets around pretty good. Hey, CJ. Kitty will bite. Yeah. Kitty will bite. No, that's gross. She just bopped the cat in the butt with her face. There she goes. She's gonna do it. I'm video recording her crawling. Boy, she sees something and she goes for it. Look at her go. Venna, big girl. Mason. Oh, she's way out there now. Oh, she's trying to find the cat. Vengenzia, come back here. Come here. Where'd the kitty go? Come here. Vengenzia, come here. Crawl back here. Come get Mason. She'll, like... Come here. No. Venna. No. No. Come here. Venna, no. Leave the vacuum alone. Come here. Look. She doesn't do anything. She plays with the vacuum. Come here, Vengenzia. Vengenzia, hey. Get the toys. She loves the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, she loves it. Vengenzia and Faye Hepler, no. No. Look at her. She's like just looking at the vacuum like, okay. Vengenzia, no. She's look. Get over here. Come here. No. Venna? She's like, I'm not going to listen to you. Yeah? Get over here. Nika Corraller, move your tush. She's okay. Big Mason checking on her. Now she's just mad. Oh. Okay, her crawling. Venna, can I get my toesies?